Hi, I'm Guy. This is the Guy, our Cook Report. Thanks for taking time out of your day. I want to talk with you real quick about GalliumOS. The old Chromebook I had, it's an old Acer C720. Only had 2 gigs of RAM, and it's not a very good machine. It's okay. And then it became deprecated. They weren't going to do updates on the Chromebook anymore. And oh my goodness, what is this going to do? It still runs. So I heard about GalliumOS. It's specially built for certain models of Chromebook, and there's a hardware compatibility list, so you don't run the risk of installing something that won't work. And this is made for Chrome OS to be very compatible, and I did it, and it worked great. I've got the link in the show notes. If you go to the GuyOurCookReport.podbean.com, you can get the link for the YouTube video that the fellow did that walks you right through how to install it. I mean, it worked for me, and hey, I'm old. So you have a great day. Hi, just real quick, there's 3 ways to get a hold of Guy R. Cook. You can go to the GuyOurCookReport.podbean.com, just like it shows in that text there. Or you can look me up on about.me/GuyRCook and contact me through that URL. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks for joining us. It's a wrap.